how does the woman's sexuality develop right from pregnancy up to the age of 2 years. So in the intrauterine stage in the womb, when the pregnancy starts, initially there is no difference between the male and female, except that the male embryo will be XY chromosome and the female embryo will be XX chromosome. So after the 8 week of pregnancy, 8 to 12 weeks of pregnancy, if there is no Y chromosome, so there is no inhibition for the development of the female tissues or the female sex line or the female external and internal genital organ which are developed by the Mullerian duct, what we call. So if this Mullerian duct is not inhibited by the male hormone or the testosterone hormone inside the womb, and if there is no Y chromosome, if there is no inhibition of the Mullerian duct, so normal development of the female sexual organs start developing. If there is any disturbance in the male, for example, there is no male hormone or if there is no inhibition of the Mullerian duct, so then by default, even if there is a Y chromosome in the baby, it will become female. If the male organ does not develop, automatically whatever may be the chromosome, the female sexual organs will develop, or there can be both, or the disturbed development can happen. If there is a normal development, so internal organs, genital organs and also external genital organs. Internally, uterus, ovaries, tubes, the vagina develop, and external organs also will be developing. Externally, clitoris and the vulva, major and minor lips of the vulva, all these things develop. So it is very important in the intrauterine period or the intrauterine environment to be normal, so that there is no disturbance for the development of the genital organs and there are no external influence like chemicals, radiation or some medications, drugs. So especially during first trimester of pregnancy, all these influence should be avoided for a normal healthy development of the baby. So once the child is born, at that time, looking at the genital organs, the female sex assignment is made. If everything is normal, it's a normal female assignment. Sex assignment of the baby is done as a female and it is given the name of girl. Right at from the time of birth, we can even see for a girl, a pink dress is given. For a boy, blue dress is given. Right from that time. So giving the name to the baby and giving the dressing up the baby. So all that, giving toys, talking to the baby and behaving with the baby, all that in the line of the girl or the female. So that in a step-by-step fashion, the child, the female child is made into a complete adult female during the process of growth through the birth, early childhood, late childhood, adolescence and the late adolescence. So this is also the time when they develop the bonding with the mother, the suckling, how with the breastfeeding and also the touch sensation, the cuddling and the bonding with the mother, being close to the mother, the child learns about the love, affection, bonding, and also it is known as oral stage where it enjoys, it gets the pleasure by suckling. Later, through the development, it's again looks into the love, affection and the bonding of the people, mother or the mother figure or the other people in the house, and also it learns about the next stage, we call it as anal stage, where it also enjoys the bowel movement and also the playing with the fecal matter, and this is another stage of development, getting some pleasure of its own body function or the body. By about 2 to 3 years, the child will know that it is a girl. She starts telling, I am a girl. So she will look at the other children. She may look at show curiosity with the other children. So this is up to that age where the baby will know that it is born as a female and now it's a girl. So that is up to this stage.